leading practice, let's dive into the next one, which is focus on service delivery. This leading practice is all about how do you ensure that when a user hits submit, their request is fulfilled efficiently and effectively. Because frankly, no matter how much time you spend designing the perfect site, curating the perfect catalog, and making the forms easy to fill out, if from the moment the user hits submit to the time that the request gets to closed, they don't trust that the process is working well, they'll most likely use other channels to fulfill their service needs. So what concepts support self-service, focusing on service delivery? The first one is to map out the current state. Look at the critical workflows, the most popular catalog items, and see the steps that they go through from requests to fulfill. And what you want to look for are things like, is there swivel chair going on? And what that means is that your fulfillers are having to switch between different systems, even switching between digital and offline processes to fulfill that request. Every one of those switches is a point of friction and an opportunity for errors to be made. The other thing you want to look for is where are there dead ends in the process? Where can this flow actually get stuck because maybe somebody's on leave, or they're not paying attention to their queue, or maybe they no longer are in the role they were in when that process was created. You need to look for those as well to make sure you optimize the workflow. Once you've optimized the workflow and rolled it out, you need to learn in the wild. You need to actually look at how these workflows perform and where there's opportunity to improve, leveraging the capabilities of ServiceNow. So dive into the rest of this module and you'll learn how the capabilities of ServiceNow can make sure that services are delivered effectively and efficiently.